Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by pairing and confirming accounts. This is why messages work. Make sure your watch has power and your iPhone is nearby, unlocked, and on the same Apple ID. Open the Watch app, choose Pair New Watch, then align the viewfinder until the devices link. Once paired, keep both devices connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so settings sync. After pairing, allow time for apps and settings to transfer. This prevents missing message options later on. You now configure messages so your watch sends and receives text and iMessage. Open the Watch app and tap Messages. Choose Mirror My iPhone for identical behavior or Custom to tailor alerts. Make sure iMessage is active in iPhone settings messages and enable notifications for messages in the Watch app so haptics and sounds arrive. If you use cellular, enable FaceTime cellular data and check Send Read Receipts. This keeps read status consistent across devices. You finish by testing and resolving issues. This confirms success. Send a test iMessage and an SMS to verify both types arrive on the watch and check that replies show on your iPhone. If messages don't sync, restart the watch and iPhone, then recheck Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID and update Watch OS and iOS. Doing so fixes many syncing bugs. One key tip: restart first. It's fast and often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.